The D, and it's picked up by Dallas. Ericsson's got it. He scores! He puts it in the net. What a great boost to end the first period. Now they're up by 1.
Barely fit that goal in on time. A little more hesitation on that play and the window would have closed.
You can't ask for a better end to a period than that.
It's kind of a psychological win for these guys, and they'll try to build on it.
Here's Bobby Ryan.
He scores!
Oh, you know what that means. His third goal of the game. And I'm thinking that's a little something those of us in the biz like to call a hat trick. Great effort.
Randy, take a look at the goalie's line of sight on this play. A defender was in the way, and I think it really obstructed the goalie's view of the play.
As a goaltender, you always want a clear line of sight.
And if not, you're really relying on your defense to block the shot. And on this shot, the wall just was not there.
Terrific shot, Drew. He saw the chance and capitalized. Here's Pillow helping him make the stop. Brown and Anze Kopitar with it. He scores! A third period goal to put them on top.
I don't think the defense did enough here, partner. You can see he was just outmatched in this case.
The offense just seemed overwhelming on that play. They weren't backing down for what was a pretty good defensive effort.
Not at all, Randy. They knew what they wanted, and they got it. Nobody was getting in their way on that one.
Now Phoenix has got it. Coyotes on top, and Phoenix over the line. He scores! And they go ahead here, 2 goals in the first period.
Oh, wow. Talk about getting off at the end of the line. They couldn't have cut that one any closer.
You can't ask for a better end to a period than that.
It's kind of a psychological win for these guys, and they'll try to build on it.
And Nabokov saved. He got his blocker out to stop the backhander. Setaguchi, oh, and the shooter wishes he had that one back. He scores! And they go ahead here, 2 goals in the first period.
Puck control, terrific skating. It all came together here, Randy.
You've got that right. Who needs teammates when you can score goals on smart plays like that?
Impressive work altogether. He did a good job of controlling the puck, found an opening from the slot, and there you have it.
Chalk one up on the old scoreboard there, partner.